Hi, Mike at ABC Fullerton Vacuum and Sewing. Want to show you a product called Ultra Chem Labs Bathroom Grout Cleaner. Now this product is made right here in California in Ontario, and it's a wonderful product. And like most all of their products, it uses their proprietary electrolytic cleaning action. And this one also uses a food grade acid. This is a great bathroom cleaner. You can use it on your porcelain, you can use it on chrome, great in the tub on your gel coated fiberglass. What it does is it removes body oils, calcium buildup, and minerals. It's just an all-around great bathroom cleaner, and it's really easy to use. This is concentrated, and you're going to pour, generally it depends what level of cleaning you're at in your bathroom, but I did this at 4 ounces per quart, the rest water. And all you're going to do is spray the surfaces. Most products you have to rinse. Now, this one you don't. You're just going to spray it. I would generally let it sit a few minutes for the cleaning ability to start. And then just wipe the surfaces. It'll leave a nice shine when it's done. And it's extremely easy to use and extremely effective. And being that you're buying it in concentrate, it's a really, really good value. Once you try this, you're sure to come back and buy more. And we sell this in our store. You can walk in and buy it, or you can go to our website at abcfullerton.com and purchase it there. You're gonna love it. Give it a shot. Cleaning ladies love it. Thanks for watching.